Okay, here I have Wicked Jack's Tavern True Jamaican Rum Cake. And here we have a red velvet rum cake. And I wish I would have videoed this sooner, but it got taken so fast because this is really good. So anyway, here's the box that it comes in. Very well packaged. So you open the box up and you get a welcome note, as well as it comes in a plastic bag, which keeps it nice and moist and super, just full of flavor. So anyway, we've already eaten some. So anyway, let me cut a piece off of here and you can just see how much extra kind of flavor and moistness is in this cake. But check this out when I just break it even. Super moist, super fluffy at the same time, and that red velvet taste as well. And you can even see that it's leaving a little red behind on this cutting board right here. But super delicious. This is a great cake, baked in the USA. This is a 20-ounce cake, red velvet. Rum is the flavor. I'm sure you can get them in other flavors as well. But just look at this. Look at the color on this. And we've already eaten almost all of the cake. So anyway, highly recommend. Highly recommend. Very delicious and very good. Definitely check it out.